where you live.
Well, Professor Max Jones, the assistant band director at Purdue, really wants some dry weather because we've got the big Purdue game coming up this weekend. And unfortunately, we've got several days of rain to get through, so it's not looking good for band practice over the next few days. Even though live Doppler 18 is clear tonight, but the clouds are thickening, the moisture is streaming up from the southwest, and you can see the rain gradually closing in on the area. Again, this is going to take a little time to get here, but it will start raining by tomorrow. And the floodgates are open. Our storm is developing right here. The leftovers of that Hurricane Rick is now moving into Texas, and you get the idea. We're here, and you can see the rain pulling off to the northeast. So it's a matter of time before that rain heads our way, and some of the rain could be pretty heavy. Let's take a look at FUTURECAST. Get mostly cloudy tonight, mostly cloudy in the morning. This particular computer model doesn't bring the rain in until about the noon hour. Some of the models are trying to bring a little rain in as early as 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning. You'll want to tune in with Sarah in the morning. She'll have a new update on this. But at the present time, it looks like noon and points thereafter, that's the best potential rain moving in. Rain overspreads the area. The heaviest rain arrives tomorrow night. There could even be a few thunderstorms embedded, and some of the rain is going to be pretty heavy. We're looking at 1 to 2.5 inches of rain area-wide. The 2 to 2.5 inch amounts are going to be here in southern Howard, parts of Tipton County, also parts of Clinton County here, Crawfordsville down to Ladoga, Wingate, and also down south of Covington towards the Ladoga area. So that'll be where the heaviest rain is at. Now, 1.5 to 2 inches is going to cover most of the area from Peru all the way back to Lafayette, Battleground, Fowler, and over towards Monticello. Slightly less amounts up here near Morocco and Winnemac, Francisville, and Kentland with about 1 to 1.5 inches. But no matter which way you slice it, this rainfall is really going to delay the harvest here, which has already been delayed by a lot of rain this fall. So the rain arrives, breezy tomorrow, 63. More rain on Friday, 60 for the high temperature. Windy and showery for the game on Saturday. Pretty raw northwest wind, but going dry on Sunday, though still a little blustery with highs in the mid-50s. And just as quickly as it cooled down, it's going to warm right back up again next week. Big storm taking shape here in the plains. 67 Tuesday. Wind dynamics and the sheer strength of this cold front low pressure could mean a squall line of storms Wednesday. Bears watching. It's a little ways out. We're going to keep an eye on that. And then, boy, once that front goes through, sharply colder. I think by next Thursday we could have a high temperature only around maybe 41 degrees. So mostly cloudy, rather breezy. 54 for tonight. Tomorrow, 63, rain and a few embedded storms arriving. Still a little breezy out of the south. Rainy on Friday, 48 and showery, and windy on Saturday, 54 Sunday, and